The universal laws can be found in many different wisdom traditions, as in ancient India thousands of years ago, in the sacred writings, the Vedas. Veda means word, and the Vedas form the vision and structure of all knowledge. The universal laws are elaborated in the 4 Vedas, namely the Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. In addition, these laws are also incorporated in the comments on the Vedas, in the Upanishads, the Vedanta, and the Yoga Sutras, among others. The Egyptians were also aware of these universal laws. This was one of the main reasons for using these laws to develop such a high civilization. The mystery school of the right eye of Horus focused on the transfer of insight into the relationship between the macrocosm and microcosm that also occurs in the synthesis of the universal laws. This knowledge was transferred in the mystery school of Pharaoh Akhenaten during a 12-year training that was only accessible to a small group of strictly selected initiates. The Kabbalah is originally a secret science that comes from a revelation to chosen saints, who then gave this wisdom to some privileged people. Kabbalah means hidden wisdom or revelation, and is an ancient philosophical system that gives us insight into the origin and structure of the universe, as in which universal laws strongly influence our existence. Kabbalah explains the relationship between the macrocosm and the microcosm. This is also an important aspect that is reflected in the universal law of unity. The former, Mayas from Central America, had a high civilization with many temples and pyramids. They were specialists in keeping track of many types of calendars, all showing in their own way the growth movements and rhythm of life of man, the earth, and the universe. These movements and rhythms can be found in the universal law of rhythmic movement.